Hennessy on my lips, take a little sip, privacy on the door, I'ma make this shit grip. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, we're going to be doing 2 different DIY body scrubs. I am doing these in conjunction with, I'm going to be doing a wedding series, and these body scrubs are actually going to go into my Bridesmaids proposal boxes. That video should be coming up soon, but I wanted to go ahead and start this video so you can see what exactly I put in those boxes. So we're going to be making 2 different scrubs. So if you would like to see what I do in this video with the 2 recipes, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so we're first going to start with the lemon and lavender body scrub. And what we need to complete this is sugar, coconut oil. Yep, this is extra virgin coconut oil, lemon, lavender essential oil, and measuring cups and what's a measuring cup. So let's get started. First, we're going to use or take a half of cup of this coconut oil, and so we're going to take a half a cup of the coconut oil and measure that in this little cup right here, and then we're going to melt it down, into the glass measuring cup and melt it down so it can become liquid, so it'll be easier to work with. We're going to melt this down and put it in like 45 seconds to completely melt. Okay, we're back and the coconut oil is melted down. It is definitely liquid. And now we're going to put a whole cup of sugar, this white sugar, and mix that with the coconut. And next I'm going to grate actual lemon zest inside of the mixture that we have. So it smells so good that I can't stop. Okay. And last but not least, I'm going to drop 10 drops of the lavender oil inside the mixture. Okay, I did 15, but so what? Okay. And now just mix it up again. Give it a good mix. Sorry, I have these mason jars from Amazon that I'm going to put the mixture inside of, and I will link everything that I use down below if you would like to check it out. So this is why I wanted to use this measuring cup anyway, because it'll be easy to pour in. I'm just going to put these to the side and let them cool off for a little bit before I put the tops on. And they will solidify, and you can use them as a body scrub. Okay, so the next body scrub that we're going to be making is called a coconut lime body scrub, or we can call it a margarita body scrub only because of the coconut and the lime. And like the last one, the lemon and lavender body scrub we're going to need a half a cup measuring cup, a actual measuring cup, lime, sugar, coconut oil, utensils, and what are these? Jars to put the sugar scrub in. So let's start off with the coconut oil. Again, it is a half a cup of coconut oil. And I'm gonna just and we're gonna melt this again on 45 seconds until it is completely melted. Alright, we're back and it's completely melted. I'm just gonna stir it up a little bit because some pieces didn't melt down, but now everything is good. And with this, we're gonna put in a cup of sugar. And mix the coconut oil and the sugar together, as well as we're just going to grate some lime into the mixture. And again, this is depending on you, how much you want to put in. I'm going to put a lot in because I love the smell of lime.
Well mixed, also out. It actually gives a cool green look to it, so it gives it a little color, so it's not just plain white. Mix it.
And this is our margarita body scrub. Okay guys, that's it. Those are the two recipes that I decided to make. If you liked any of these recipes, they're going to be listed in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video and to my channel for more content. And don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. We're almost at 1K on Instagram, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway there. Thank you all so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.